Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen rice noodles. Measure rice flour and tapioca starch, then mix with warm water and a pinch of salt to form a pliable dough. Knead for several minutes until smooth and elastic, then rest covered for 20 minutes. Roll thinly, cut into noodle shapes, and dust with rice flour to prevent sticking. Cook briefly in boiling water and serve hot with your favorite broth. Use 200 g rice flour and 50 g tapioca, starch for chew and elasticity, plus 1 tsp salt and 150 ml warm water. You can swap tapioca for potato starch for a slightly different texture, but aim for similar hydration. Measure precisely and adjust water by tablespoons to reach a dough that is soft but not sticky. Freshly made noodles take minutes to cook and taste delightfully different from wheat ramen, so handle gently. Thanks for watching. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers keep broth and noodles separate and travel worry-free, perfect for lunches. I find they save time and cleanup, and they stack neatly in the fridge. You'll see a neat link and occasional coupon there. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Roll dough to 2 mm thickness and cut into 3 mm wide noodles, or use a pasta machine for uniform strands. Dust with rice flour to prevent sticking, then cook in rapidly boiling water for 1 to 2 minutes until tender but not mushy. Shock in cold water to stop cooking if using in cold salads, or add directly to hot broth for immediate serving with toppings like scallions, egg, and sesame oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.